Look around your home. That red toy glowing against the green carpet may almost disappear to your dog. Yet outside, a plain flower could display ultraviolet markings that your own eyes will never detect. Humans do not see reality exactly as it is. We see a translation, one narrow slice of light processed by 3 kinds of color-sensitive cone cells. Other animals translate the same world very differently. Your cones are often described as red, green, and blue sensitive, although their ranges overlap. By comparing their signals, your brain constructs millions of colors. Color is not simply inside light, it is an experience built by a nervous system. Beyond violet lies ultraviolet, invisible to most people. Beyond red lies infrared. These wavelengths still carry information, but human eyes normally cannot convert them into color. For many animals, our invisible border is only the beginning. Now point an ultraviolet-sensitive camera at a backyard flower. Petals that look evenly yellow may reveal a dark center and bright outer ring, a landing target painted in light that humans cannot naturally see. Honeybees use 3 receptor classes too, but their palette is shifted. Instead of roughly red, green, and blue, bees compare ultraviolet, blue, and green. Deep red can look dark, while ultraviolet becomes part of their color world. Those hidden floral patterns are called nectar guides. They can help direct a pollinator toward pollen and nectar. The flower is advertising, but the message is designed for an insect audience rather than for us. Bees can also use polarized patterns in skylight for orientation. Even when the sun is partly hidden, the angle of scattered light provides a compass. The sky contains structure that our unaided vision ignores. Many birds are tetrachromats, meaning 4 cone channels contribute to color vision. In numerous species, one channel reaches into ultraviolet. Their visual world is not merely brighter, its color relationships can be fundamentally different. A feather that looks identical on 2 birds to us may reflect ultraviolet differently. Hidden plumage signals can help with species recognition, mate choice, or communication. An apparently ordinary bird may be wearing a private badge. Ultraviolet can also change the appearance of fruit, eggs, insects, and sky. But there is no universal bird vision. Species differ in receptors, eye filters, habitats, and brains, so every simulation is an informed approximation. That caution matters. Cameras do not photograph an animal's subjective experience. Scientists measure wavelengths, receptor responses, and behavior, then translate invisible information into colors humans can display. The result is a map, not mind reading. In the Arctic, reindeer retinas respond to near ultraviolet light. Snow reflects large amounts of ultraviolet, while objects such as lichen and fur may absorb more of it, increasing contrast across an otherwise white landscape. That contrast could help reindeer locate food or notice predators and obstacles. Their advantage is not a magical neon filter. It is the ability to separate important shapes from snow under extreme northern light. Research also suggests that many mammals, including dogs and cats, allow more ultraviolet through the eye than humans do. They may detect some ultraviolet with shortwave receptors, possibly as an extension of blue rather than a brand new hue. Your dog is still mainly a blue and yellow dichromat. Reds and greens are harder to separate, while motion and dim light sensitivity matter greatly. So a blue training toy can stand out better than a red toy on grass. Butterfly wings add another invisible layer. Microscopic scales can reflect ultraviolet in precise patterns. To us, 2 individuals may look alike. To a UV-sensitive butterfly, their wings may carry obvious information about species, sex, and condition. Some butterflies possess multiple ultraviolet receptors. In certain species, females can distinguish UV signals with receptor combinations males do not share. Evolution can create different visual worlds even within one species. The common bluebottle butterfly has at least 15 classes of photoreceptors, a record among studied insects. But researchers think only about 4 handle routine color vision. Others may specialize in motion or particular environmental signals. More receptors do not automatically mean more imaginable colors. The brain must compare and use those signals. That brings us to the animal at the center of the biggest vision myth, the mantis-shrimp. Some mantis-shrimp have 12 classes of color photoreceptors, including channels from ultraviolet to deep red, plus specialized polarization detectors. Each independently moving eye scans the reef with a sensory toolkit unlike ours. The viral claim says mantis shrimp see 4 times as many colors as humans. Behavioral experiments found something stranger. Despite 12 receptor classes, they can be worse than humans at distinguishing nearby wavelengths. Scientists think their eyes may recognize broad color categories rapidly, reducing brain processing during a fast-moving hunt. Their system may trade fine discrimination for speed. Different does not always mean better. Sometimes it means optimized. Mantis shrimp can also detect linear, and in some species, circular polarization, the orientation of light waves. Polarization can reveal contrast, body signals, or objects in a cluttered reef while remaining completely invisible to us. Cuttlefish offer another twist. They appear colorblind by conventional receptor tests, yet they possess extremely sensitive polarization vision. A reef can contain hidden edges and signals even when its familiar rainbow is unavailable. Pit vipers detect infrared radiation from warm prey using facial pit organs. That information contributes to a spatial heat map, but it is not ordinary color vision and does not come from the eye's cones. We can build ultraviolet, infrared, and polarization cameras, then assign visible colors to their data. Those false color images are useful, but the purple UV flower and red thermal snake are human-friendly translations, not literal screenshots from an animal brain. Every creature lives inside a sensory universe shaped by survival. Your dog, a bee, a bird, and a mantis shrimp can stand in the same sunlight, yet inhabit different realities. The world is far more colorful than any one pair of eyes can know.